Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a package that I just received containing some Southord goodies. So I'm just getting into the hobby of lock picking, and these are the items that I chose to start with. So of course there's a packing order. Southord stamp right there. Now it does come with a free copy of Easy Pickings. They do sell it by itself, but it came with my order for free. And it's just a basic instruction manual to get you started with lockpicking. Let's see what we have here. So from my research, I found that Southord is a reputable company. So I'd figure I'd give their items a try. So the first item that I'm opening is Auto Jigglers car opening tool. The product number is SJG-10. And this item costs $21.25 US. It does come with a little instruction manual as the paper that you see the keys on. This next item is the 20-piece lockpick set with metal handles. Product number MPXS-20. The case is made out of genuine leather. And this item costs $48.95 US. Right here we have the new Jackknife pocket lockpick set. Product number JPXS-6. This item costs $39.95 US. And finally, we have the 3-volt compact electric lockpick. Product number E500C. And it cost $149.95. I also did buy a replacement picking needles pack. It came in a set of 8. The product number is E110N10, and it costs $8.75. It's a very compact size. I hope you guys like my little video. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button so you get notified when I upload the full unboxing videos of each product that I have shown. I will give full descriptions and also the links where you can purchase them. I'm pretty excited. Thank you for watching my video. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Mahalo.